Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon and in today's video I am going to be cleaning, but I'm going to be doing an actual cleaning project today. My couch has been irritating me a lot lately. I feel like my couch smells like a dog bed and it's making my living room smell like a dog bed. I actually have a dog bed in my living room. But the couch, I feel like because our two smaller dogs are allowed on the couch, our big dog isn't just because he's so big. He's never been allowed on the couch, but our two smaller dogs have always been allowed on the couch. And usually I have some kind of blanket up on the back of the couch that they lay on, but I don't have any right now because I was washing them. But it doesn't really matter because they don't always lay on the blanket. I've tried to purchase couch covers in the past and they don't fit right. I do have a sectional. I have a sectional that is an odd shape. It has like the diagonal corner instead of an actual L. It's kind of a curve. We had that specially made that way so that people would feel more comfortable if they were sitting at where the corner would normally be, in the middle. But because of that, it's harder for us to find a couch cover to protect our couch from our dogs. The material on it has been pilling a lot. I really don't care for the material. I thought that it was going to hold up a lot better than it has. We've only had it for a couple of years and I already kind of feel like I'm ready to replace it. I was trying to look at the tag and find out what the actual material is of the outside of the cushions, but I'm having a hard time figuring it out. It says everything is polyester and the clean code is W, so I know that I can use a water-based cleaning product. I am so used to, we had a microfiber couch for like 13 years. It's actually still in our garage. And that was so easy to clean. It had its pros and cons, just like anything else. But I could always just throw the covers of the microfiber couch cushions into the washing machine, air dry them, and be done with it. I wasn't thinking I could do that with this couch because it's actually fabric, but I'm gonna do it. So I already dislike the couch. I don't want to say hate, but I already dislike the couch to begin with. So I'll show you a close-up of it. The pilling is out of control. We bought one of those sweater shavers, and my husband has tried to use it a few times, but I'm afraid to use it too much because I feel like it's just going to end up making holes in the actual cover itself. And then, you know, there's nothing we can do if there's a hole in the couch. We can't really cover that up or fix it really. So I'm going to give you a little view of my couch. I did already pull my vacuum cleaner out. I'm going to vacuum the whole thing really well. And I'm going to look for any obvious stains. I don't really think that there's any actual stainage on the couch. It's just an overall, overall needs to be washed, right? But other than that, I am just going to wash them on cold with a mild detergent. And I'm going to air dry them. And we're just going to hope for the best because I feel like I can smell it. I don't know if other people can smell it, but I feel like they have to be able to. If I'm smelling it, they have to be able to smell it. So I just don't want to have a home that smells like a dog and I either don't realize it or like it's all I can think about. So I'm going to take you in the living room and show you the couch. I've got my cleaning clothes on now, so I'm all ready to clean. I didn't even put makeup on because what for? And I have my headphone. I have one headphone in, I'm going to put the other one in, and I'm going to jam out to some music because who wants to listen to a vacuum cleaner running? And I'm going to bring you guys with me, and you're going to check out the before and after and the in-between. So if I didn't say so already, thank you so much for joining me, and let's get started. Okay, so there's our big dog Banjo. He's a big old loaf, and he's on his giant dog bed. And then Maisie is ruining the back of the couch cushion as we speak. Hi, Maisie. So I didn't fix the couch because what's the point? I didn't fix it up to show you what it looks like because, you know, this is the before anyways. I just wanted to show you this pilling. So I wonder if I flip the cushion over if you can see what it's supposed to look like. Oh, this is what it's supposed to look like. I mean, there is some crumbs on here. This is what it's supposed to look like. And this is what it looks like. Can you see the difference there? It is ridiculous how much pilling has come from this couch. And at the furniture store, she acted like, oh, this couch has been here for 12 years. Look at all the use It's barely used, and I understand that allowing my little dogs on the couch did not help this, but it's everywhere. It's not only the places where they lay. Okay, Maisie, get up. You're ruining my video. You are, but you're so sweet. Yes. Okay, so the pilling is everywhere. So that's one of the reasons why I said I don't really care too much about this couch. I feel like it's already kind of, it's pretty bad. It almost looks like a fur to me. That is not what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to look like this. Let me see if I can put these right next to each other so you can see the difference. You see that? This is what it's supposed to look like, and this is what my entire couch looks like. Okay, so I'm just gonna get started here by moving the furniture out of the way, and then I'm gonna get all the couch cushions off and start vacuuming, and we'll go from there. I did end up doing 2 loads of the cushion covers. I did them in a cold wash on the light setting, and I just used Tide that has OxiClean already in it, the powdered kind. And when I was putting these cushion covers in, I made sure to zip them up so that I didn't end up with any strands that came out and made a mess in my washing machine. And then after I washed them, I did hang dry them for at least 24 hours before putting them back on the couch. While I had the covers off, I used this lemongrass and lavender oil spray just to give everything a fresh scent. By the way, that sticker on the cushion is from the manufacturer. About a day and a half after I washed these, we put them back on the couch. My husband did help me, but he stayed off camera. You'll notice that I decided not to wash that middle cushion. I didn't want to have to worry about putting that back on. I knew it was going to be a chore. So I decided I actually vacuumed that cushion and I flipped it and decided to not tackle that this time. So that's why that cushion cover stayed on. I just knew that the cushion inside was going to be very difficult to put back in that cover. It was a bit of a struggle to get these cushion covers back on these bottom cushions, especially because they just fit, but it was doable, and this isn't something that I do all the time, so I just feel like I'll be really happy with the result. Okay, so I had hoped the lighting would be a little bit better, but I'm gonna show you the couch. We put it all together last night, put all the cushion covers back on, and I just wanted to show you. And then I also flipped it over. So I didn't end up shaving the couch. The dogs are all excited because I just got home. Hi. I didn't end up shaving it. I just decided to wash everything, and then I flipped it over so that it's on the other side now, so that it's way less pilling going on. And the only one I didn't wash was that one because I didn't want to deal with the pain of putting it back on. Hi, Maisie Grace. Okay, everybody's excited. I think it's almost dinner time, but it's actually, you guys have like another hour, okay? Just relax. Okay. Overall, I'm very happy with it. It smells way better in here. Everything is way cleaner, right? So the dogs are gonna hurry up and mess it up. Actually, I had that blanket out. They've been sitting on that blanket. And I got a new blanket from Aldi today, and I got a new pillow. So I need to put those in here soon. All right, well, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.